What do festivities call for? Festivities call for fun, family and food. That's what we want. Fun, family, food is equal to happiness. What is happiness? Happiness is mutton biryani. Let's start cooking. If you're in a hurry, it's not going to work out. You need time, you need patience, you need love, which I know everybody who's watching me now have it because, thank you so much for all your love and support. I love you visiting my channel, giving your comments. It's just amazing. So first things first, I have this lovely mutton, okay? Now, this mutton has got a nice mix of a bit of the ribs, a bit of the breast, some chops, some boneless pieces from the leg. So this is ideally biryani mutton material. So we've got over here a little bit of dahi. Okay. Now dahi tenderizes it. And normally jab main biryani banata hu na, honestly, I like to marinate my meat the night before I start cooking the next day. Honestly, that's the way I do it, but let me show you. So ideally, this part of the process can be done the night before. So we've got our lovely ginger, garlic and chili paste as well here. You're going to mix it all beautifully. And then a nice meat masala, okay, which is a mixture of about 16 different spices. It's like bang on for meat, guys. It's really good. And plus I'm going to be adding a little bit of garam masala as well to this. Along with this, I'm adding a little bit of red chili powder, okay, a little bit of turmeric, and that's it, okay. Beautiful. So I've got my, look at that, that's heavy. So I've got a little bit of ghee here. Okay, I'm adding a little bit of ghee. Beautiful. Now I've already got my rice, which I have cooked 70%, which I'm going to be using to layering it. अभी हम इसमें थोड़े से मेरे खड़े मसाले डालेंगे because I love. So I've got here Chakra, Phool or star anise. I've got a few cloves. I've got थोड़ी सी Elaichi, Tej Patta, Badi Elaichi, थोड़ी सी Javitri. हाँ, सही हो गया. So ये हमारे spices हो गए. और अभी हम डालेंगे इसमें थोड़ा सा oil as well. So I'm using a combination of desi ghee and a very light olive oil here. Okay, it's already so hot, which is just amazing. Marination हो रहा है हमारे मटन का यहाँ पे. So I've got here about 3 to 4 medium-sized sliced onions. Okay, so remember 850 grams of mutton, and I've got about 400 to 500 grams of soaked and drained rice, which I've cooked. So you've almost got a good right quantity of meat and rice. Next, let's add these in. And along with this, I have some chilies. Okay, I love chilies. Mom used to love adding green chilies into her biryani. Okay, it gives a really nice freshness to it. So, I mean, I don't want to call this a Sindhi biryani, but this is a recipe from a Sindhi woman who was my mother. And I think she was the greatest biryani cook of all times. And guess what? She was pure vegetarian. Yes, that's another story which I can talk to you about in the future. So, pyaz, khade masale, ghee, thoda sa tel, amazing. Now, the way the onions cook in this, they cook really quick. They get a beautiful color, and that's what we are really looking for. You can see the onions are really brown very quickly, okay, and it's all going really well. And as I cover this, it creates a steam because this is really heavy duty. There's nothing escaping. So literally all the juices from this are going back inside. So we are losing absolutely no flavor whatsoever. So now we have our onions, which are just beautifully browned. So next, let's add our meat into this. So we're going to be just literally bhunaing this very well. And then we're going to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper. Beautiful. तो अभी हम इसे अच्छी तरह मिक्स करते हैं, थोड़ा सा फ्राई कर रहे हैं. This is called bhunoing the ghost. Very important part of it, where we literally sear it to seal all its juices. Lovely, 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 lovely. So I have a little bit of tomato puree, and along with this we have this lovely leftover marinade which is like gold. I'm going to be adding a little bit of water into this, and I'm going to be slowly cooking the meat till it's almost cooked to cooked, slow cooking in this lovely cast iron pot for about an hour and 20 minutes. Okay, beautiful. Perfect. Wow. Now look at this. Okay. अभी इसमें मैं ये छोटे से आलू भी डाल देता हूँ. Okay. I love to add these lovely baby potatoes inside here, so they literally get almost like soft, overcooked in here. I'm also adding a little bit of pudina and dhania. I mean I can't get enough of this, guys. Okay, so now अभी हम इसे धीमी आंच पे पकाएंगे, okay, for about an hour and 20 minutes, and then this beautiful layering and our biryani is ready. It's been slow cooking for almost 1.5 hours. Okay, next we have some saffron, जो मैं थोड़ा सा इसमें डाल के सेकूंगा saffron को. Okay, I'm adding a little bit of milk. Okay, साइड में रख देते हैं ये, and let's start layering our biryani. Oh ho ho! Look at this, beautifully cooked all the way down. Absolutely delicious. अभी इसका थोड़ा सा झोल भी ready हो गया है, so perfecto. Now let's start layering this beautiful biryani. This is like 70% done, because now ये जो है biryani को हम दम करेंगे. We're going to layer it like I'm doing it right now, and for this I have this gorgeous pot again, which I'm going to be बिल्कुल धीमी आंच पे हम इसको दम मारेंगे इसका. Now, heavy duty, boom. This cover is really heavy, which means that this is literally creating almost like an oven-like effect, and all the condensation and steam is going back inside, which means that you're not losing flavor, you're not losing moisture, and this is going to be absolutely gorgeous. Now with this here, I have a lovely avocado raita, yogurt, salt, pepper, थोड़ा सा चाट मसाला, नींबू का रस, थोड़ी सी green chili, avocado ripe, उसको हमने प्यूरे कर दिया है, and we've got this lovely avocado raita. दम की mutton biryani. Oh my God, this is just outstanding. Perfectly cooked, nice. Wow. Hey guys, cut. Hey, stop. खाने दो यार प्यार से, please. Thank you very much. Bye. See you. The best biryani cooked in the best pot ever. Enjoy, love, like, share, and let me eat in peace.